Welcome to the Storage Minute series. Today's video will be vVols on the Dell EMC Unity platform. Here we see the virtual volume policies applied to this machine. Now let's look at the policies from the array side. Here we can see the different virtual volume types, and each policy has a different capability. Now we're going to go back over and change one of the policies for one of the disks, not the entire VM. We're going to change disk 2 from the extreme tier to the capacity tier. Once we click OK, the array will then take care of changing the capability of that virtual volume. Notice that when we made these changes, we did not do a storage vMotion or a migration of the VM. Now we will go back to the array, and after a refresh, we will see that the second disk is now associated with the capacity profile. For more information, visit the link below. VMware Storage. Real today.